How to change font size on Realme 6. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your font size. You can see here this is my font size. So if you wanna change your font size into small or bigger, then this video is absolutely for you. So before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So let's get started. So what you need to do guys, you have to just simply click on your font settings on your Realme device, and then after clicking to this font settings you will find this type of interface here. So what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. You just need to scroll down and then you will find an option, display and brightness option. So just click on display and brightness option, and then here what you have to do, you have to just scroll down, and then you will find an option. You can see here font size and display size. So if you want to change your font, then just click on font, and then you can see here if you want to do small size, then just click give the pointer on small, and if you want to go for medium, then give the pointer in medium, large and extra large. So you can see here this is the one. So let me just click on medium and then just go back, and you can see here this is medium. So if I will show you again, if I want to go for small, then you can see here my font has been small. So guys, in this way you can just set up your you can see here font size. So I hope this will help you, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video.